Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're going to guide you through the process of buying cryptocurrency on BingX, one of the world's leading crypto exchanges. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your first crypto purchase. Plus, I'll share a special referral code CHUCHU to get you some extra bonuses. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about why it's important to understand the buying process on BingX. BingX is a user-friendly platform, but for beginners, it can be a bit overwhelming. Following a step-by-step guide can make your first experience smooth and enjoyable. Let's break it down step by step on how you can buy cryptocurrency on BingX. Step 1. Sign up on BingX. Start by visiting the BingX website and clicking the Register button. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU to unlock some exclusive bonuses. You'll receive a verification email. Click on the link to verify your account. Step 2. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. You can use Google Authenticator or SMS verification. This step is crucial to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Step 3. Verify your identity. Completing identity verification, KYC, is important as it can unlock higher trading limits and additional features. Upload the required documents and wait for the verification to complete. Step 4. Deposit funds. Log into your BingX account and click on Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Choose the cryptocurrency or fiat you want to deposit and follow the instructions to deposit funds using your preferred payment method. Step 5. Trade for cryptocurrency. Once your funds are deposited, go to the Trade section on the top navigation menu and select Spot Trading. Choose the trading pair for the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as BTC USDT or ETH USDT. Under the trading chart, select the Market tab if you want to buy at the current market price or limit if you want to set a specific price. Step 6. Place your order. Enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Review your order details and click Buy. Congratulations, you've just bought your first cryptocurrency on BingX. To wrap things up, here are a few tips for a successful trading experience. Start with small investments, stay informed about market trends, and use BingX's educational resources to learn more about trading. Of course, sometimes you might run into issues. Common problems include deposit and withdrawal issues, transaction fees, and more. If you encounter any problems, BingX support is there to help. To summarize, buying crypto on BingX involves signing up, securing your account, verifying your identity, depositing funds, and placing your order. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. And remember, using the referral code CHUCHU can get you some extra bonuses to start with. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and guides. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you bought crypto on BingX before? What was your experience like? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy trading with BingX and don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU.